Hi Darren, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
What are you up to today, mate?
Tandem skydive, first one ever.
And the reason you're doing it?
Big 5A, 50th.
Never.
Present,
Yeah, I don't believe you, mate. I don't believe you.
Wife,
Present
so,
from your wife, that's
yeah.
awesome. How you feeling, Darren?
Yeah, good.
You ready to go, mate?
Yeah, I'm ready to go.
Here we go.
Yeah.
Sometimes I compromise, sometimes I tell a lie, but it's only to myself. Sometimes I make mistakes, regret choices that I've made. I never cry out for help. Feel like I'm 6 feet underground, trapped inside a dream and falling through the clouds. I keep screaming, shouting, but no one hears the sound, 'cause I'm trapped inside the mind of a dreamer, dreaming.
Yo! Oh, that's good. That was good. Guess what, buddy? You're in charge. If you put on the left button, toes to the left. Put the left one down. And now put the right one. Not bad. No. Now the right one. Is that very good? Yeah.
Trapped inside the mind of a dreamer.
Hey Darren, do you want to lift the goggles up, mate? Happy birthday.
Cheers.
How was that?
It was awesome.
Would you do that again?
I'd do it again, yeah.
Good view, isn't it?
Good view, yeah, with the clouds as well. It's just-
Awesome, mate. Nice one. Well done. Just wanted to stand up, Darren. I'll get a photograph of you stood behind.
Okay, yeah.
I've been searching for a peace of mind.
Sorry. That's okay.
Big,
Come close to me. I can't really move.
Yeah, it's okay.
big smile for me, Darren. Awesome, mate. Well done.
Cheers.
Nice.